Okay, let's check out this microwave. Open it up, and it has power. And I have the AC on here on the Bluetti maxing, and I have 250 mils of water. Geez, it barely fits. It's pretty tight. And I'll put it on high, I guess. And I'll put it on for 1 minute. I think this is 1 minute, and then we'll watch what happens with the app here. So drawing 1300 watts. $1,200 watts. I assume it's roughly accurate as far as time goes. So it's drawing between 12 and 1300 watts. Battery's still at 97%. I'm only getting 34 watts of solar here for some reason. Well, I suppose it's cloudy out. Okay. Well, it's not boiled, but it's hot and steamy, and the battery went down to 96%. So I'll put it to 5 here. Definitely enough time to warm up a meal or boil a reasonable amount of water. Well, it's not even touching the battery. %. And you know, the water's boiling in there. I think it is. Well, I can't imagine using the microwave for much more than that time. And it's just, you know, it barely touched the battery, brought it down 2%. So I would say this microwave is a success. I'm pretty happy with the whole thing. That's great. That's at high, and you know, it's been going for 2 or 3 minutes. There, the battery just went down to 94%. Really, this is great. Excellent. And that is one steamy hot cup of water there. Whew. Excellent. Very happy about that.